Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use parental control in TikTok. In order to use parental control on TikTok, you must set up the family pairing feature which links the parent's account with their teen's account. This allows the parents to manage safety and privacy settings for their child and their own device itself. First thing, you want to open up your TikTok application. Both on your device, after which you have to navigate to your profile from the right hand side corner of your screen. And what you want to do is, here on this section, tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to simply go ahead and click on settings and privacy. When you go to settings and privacy section, you could then find a family pair on this page. Here it is. You click that out, and then you want to click on link with teen or you link with guardian, whatever it is. You could go ahead and send an invitation. So select the method you want to send. I'm going to go with the WhatsApp itself. So here I'm going to be the one. So share this up, and the other person accepts it, and he or she is going to actually then you'll have a full control over this. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.